Hi guys, just an update. Drama, drama, drama. Remember that Anne is also being searched by the Thai authorities because apparently hindi ito umattend dun sa final verdict ng kaso sa kanya. And now, yung current owner na si Mr. Raul Rocha, may kaso din pala for illegal trafficking or trafficking of drugs and weapons. And sabi, Anne is also in Mexico and she has Mexican citizenship daw dahil daw sa tulong ni Mr. Raul Rocha. So what's going on? Because yung dating owner and current owner ng Miss Universe organization, ang pinakamataas na beauty pageant, ay tainted ang credibility. This really hurts the brand and image of Miss Universe. So what do you think about that?